Hands-off Thieves. The ultimate steering wheel lock for bulletproof car security. Tired of parking paranoia? The Tevlaphee anti-theft steering wheel lock is your first line of defense against carjackers. Designed with twin solid steel bars and a 4-hook locking system, this beast grips your wheel like a security guard with trust issues, ain't nobody breaking through. The bright deterrent design screams, "Move along, buddy," warning thieves before they even think of testing their luck. Fast to lock, easy to remove, and built tougher than grandma's fruitcake, this heavy-duty security device keeps your ride safe, whether you're at the mall or on vacation. Not all locks are created equal, some bend, break, or can be picked in seconds. Not this one. Crafted from high-grade alloy steel, the Tevlaphee steering lock is smash-resistant, shear-proof, and pick-proof. The double-row crescent lock cylinder makes sure that even the sneakiest pro thieves can't crack it. Plus, the plastic-dipped finish means it won't scratch your steering wheel, just pure, unbreakable security without the damage. While other locks are flimsy or easy to bypass, this one is engineered to last and tested against brute force attacks. Whether you're driving a compact sedan, rugged SUV, or a heavy-duty truck, this lock adjusts to fit steering wheels from 4.9 inches to 13 inches, so you're covered no matter what. Unlike one-size-fits-none locks, this adjustable system ensures a snug, ultra-secure fit that won't budge. No complicated setup, no weird tools, just lock, walk away, and sleep soundly knowing your ride is safe. It's also perfect for rideshare drivers, travelers, or anyone who parks in sketchy areas, looking at you, downtown parking lots. Car theft is expensive, but preventing it doesn't have to be. The Tevlaphee steering wheel lock is an affordable yet highly effective way to protect your vehicle without expensive alarms or GPS trackers. It's a one-time investment that pays for itself the moment it stops a thief in their tracks. Compared to cheaper, flimsier locks that snap under pressure, this one is built to last for years, giving you long-term protection without recurring costs. With thousands of satisfied customers praising its sturdiness, ease of use, and security, this lock is a no-brainer for car owners who refuse to take chances. 3 precision-cut keys mean you're always in control, and the simple locking mechanism lets you secure your car in seconds. Whether you're protecting your daily driver or a cherished classic, Tevlaphee's steering wheel lock ensures your vehicle stays yours, because the only person driving your car should be you. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your car today.